Okay guys, Carter Carter here guys. Today I have a Sundown. This guy is Sundown audio. 15 inch, I think this is a Zv5 if I'm not wrong. Yes guys, I think this is one of them. And this time I already remove the dust cap. And then for this one come with me guys with a, let me show you guys, you could see right here this test lead right here burned out the spider. It burnt right through here, catch fire, so you can see the voice coil is also damaged. So, well, one side of the voice coil damaged, the other side is not. But to get it the way they, you could see there when they were playing it, yeah, I have to replace the whole voice coil just because of that. But and the spider too. So I'm gonna show you guys something anyway. I want to show you guys on my channel. So this is some screws as you can see here, guys. These are here to hold down the cone. I wish some other brand would do this. I like this. I like this. Yeah. To hold it down. Yeah, definitely. Sundown. I give them 2 thumbs up for it, but this I like this what they did here. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna remove this screw and this strap that they use to hold the cone down. Also they glue it underneath, guys, but they still do that. So I'm gonna remove these and show you how I do this without the drop-in kit, without you have to replace all this stuff here, guys. But yeah, show you my way how I do it, how we do it back in Jamaica. Right, guys. So one, two, right. Screws go there. Yeah, you could use a little, like I use this cake knife. I don't know what you guys call it. We call it cake knife. I lift this thing up. Yeah. This guy, this is like this. It's a metal piece. Yeah. That one. This one. Repairing a sub like this, guys, is like, it's really harder than, you put it in dropping will be much easier. But sometimes if you can't buy the whole kit, yeah, you do this, guys, and for a reasonable price. This is the way I learned, guys, teach me how to do this, guys, back in Jamaica. See that, guys? So use this knife. Sometimes you could go along like this, but you normally use this side that way so you don't damage the cone. But now I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna go along. Sometimes it's not easy. It's not that easy, guys. So don't think all the time it's gonna be that easy. Please be careful, guys, just careful. Now we're gonna use the comb. We're gonna use back the comb. So you have to take it out like this. I hate watching videos and they just cut it, I'll be like, damn, it's a waste of a cone, Because a lot of people don't know this way, they don't repair a speaker like that here in America, mostly. They don't do that. By dropping. But we have a speaker brand with Jamaica. What we do, go get the voice card made, or we buy the voice card. And we do it just like this. We replace just the voice card. And we don't make cone back in Jamaica and stuff like that, but we make voice cards. So yeah, we can afford to do this. And that's really good. The voice card is the voice of the speaker, eh? Have a good cone, most of the voice card, that's what happened. The voice card is always what most of the damage I got burnt. So that's why, guys, this was sweat, you guys, I'm telling you. It's worth it, guys. Kind of a sub that just need voice card, like you throw away cone and spider and all that stuff. But in this case I have to replace the spider, but normally I see some big foam, nice foam edge. I was like, man, I can't get them to buy locally. So when I do this, guys, I flip this up like this. Yep. Because I'm gonna cut this out. I need some space here. Then I do it this way. I'm sure, one knife. I use this knife, guys. You can see the edge kind of have some salty looking stuff. Lo and behold, alright, so this is a dual 2 ohm, guys. Dual 2. You see, it's not damaged that much, but I still want to over. Go up there, guys. Yeah, this thing was sweating, as you can see. You see that? Yeah, you could smell the burn, but you don't see it. Yeah, I smell it. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Damn. Yeah, it's burned out, but you don't really see it up there. So it burned from the inside. So the voice kind of burned from the inside. So, alright. Let me see if I have one, guys, on hand. Let me see here. Hold on. Man, look at this, guys. Compared to this guy here, guys. Look at that. You can see the difference with the voice car winding. Yeah. This is 2 home. Let me see. Wow, sweet. Man, look at that. So, guys, I'm gonna use this inside of this sound on you guys. Definitely. Just make sure you are 2. Yep. I want to really like that. Come on. This guy, so yep. So this is 2D. Okay. Alright, guys, so let me see now. Try another one. We have these 2. Wow. This is for my new. So, hold on a minute. So, here. I have it marked already, but yeah. So, yes, guys. And then we'll get this thing started. So, yeah, guys. This is more winding. Same 2 home. I think I'm gonna use this voice card, guys. Yep. this one here, as you can see, let me mark from right there. You can see a little bit more whiny, but this frame, yeah, it can take, this can even take a, I think this can take a 8 layer if I'm not wrong. Yep. Well, yes, guys. So that is it for now, guys. Until I get the wow spider. I don't have a spider for it. Oh, I have spider, guys, but with no tensor lead. Yeah, really solid stuff here. These are dual, double. But yeah, I'm gonna put double back here. I'm not gonna use these. Which in, guys, I could make that. Could use this and do my own thing. Yeah. What the heck? Damn, that's solid. Oh yeah, this is solid. Like we could do that, guys. Whichever way. But I think I'm gonna buy one for now because the tensor that I have, I don't have enough. Don't think I have enough tensor to do that. So I will make one myself, guys, and make my own stuff so you guys can see that. I do that most of the time, guys. Not all of the time. When I don't have, I can't get what I need, I definitely make, the spider myself with the tensor. Yes, guys, the sound down here, yeah. Sure, I'm gonna go ahead and order a spider for this thing, guys. Yep, see this thing? Burnt, guys, and caught fire. Can you imagine? Look at that thing. Burnt out right straight up to here. Wow. Alright. Yep. That's it, guys, for the Sundown. I'm gonna replace this, and that's it. So I'll see you guys on the next part of this video, guys. Alright? Much respect. Please like, subscribe for more courtesy, guys, and Cardi, guys, is out for now.